Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, the 27th of September. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday. And we had data, the business confidence number from New Zealand. That came in stronger than expected at minus 38.3. We did see the Kiwi dollar jump up at that news. It gapped around about, I think it was about 20 odd points, plus then it moved up some more. So it definitely had a positive impact on the Kiwi dollar on that front. The other major news, of course, was the big one. At 4 o'clock in the morning it was from the US, and or before that, actually, we had the crude oil inventories that came in at 1.9 million. But the big one, as I was just mentioning, was FOMC. Now, the central bank in the US increased rates by 0.25%, taking the rate up to 2.25%. And you would have seen instantly it had a negative reaction on the US dollar. We saw all the US pairs jump in the opposite direction. Aussie US dollar, for example, jumped in favor of the Aussie dollar at the release of the data, and that was because this was largely expected. It was almost 100% that it was going to happen, and the market reacted accordingly. But later, when the projections and the statements came out, they did say that they now foresee three rate hikes in this year, which was upgraded from previously two. So that brought back some positivity to it, and basically that big jump and gain was lost, and at the end of it all, pretty much we ended up where it all started. So there you have it. That happened overnight. Time now to have a look at our chart of the day, and the chart that I found for us this morning is actually the USD yen again. Now, in light of that data, the data on a fundamental point of view is US dollar strength. Now, the technical trade that I'm showing you here is against that fundamental data. So some of us might have some conflict in views on this one. There is a setup. It is an aggressive engulfing candle. You can see it over here. So for anybody who takes the aggressive approach, well, then this one's ready, set for you to go. If you do not take the engulfing candle, well, then unfortunately for us, the new candle has already fallen a little bit below the bottom, so it cannot create an inside candle for us for a reversal pattern, which means basically you have to leave this one alone. So the two choices are, if you're aggressive and you're happy to go against the fundamentals, well, and trade technically what you see, well, this one is set as an aggressive engulfing candle on a double top. Alternatively, well, this one is not for you, and we look for something else. There you have it. All right, let's have a look what's happening in the session, which is about to kick off. We have at 10:30 this evening from the US, we have the core durable goods order and the final GDP numbers. And then at 11:30 from Europe, we have ECB President Draghi will be speaking, and that pretty much wraps up the session for major data. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us. If you do have any questions, follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.